Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 272.0 TDCI starts runs engine is knocking 92 km no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 92,000. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air-con, electric windows, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.